People first, and the rest will follow. Here at MICC-Fort Riley, we are training and developing leaders. One of the most important things we do here is market research. Effective market research not only helps the government lower costs, but also increases the public's trust in the Army. Today, I am sending you on a mission to learn what it takes to become a market research superstar. This message will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.
Sorry about that. What do you know about market research?
There's two methods to market research. One is strategic. Two is tactical. Get with Savannah and she'll tell you more about strategic.
I've been summoned. I hear you need to know more about strategic research. This is a useful tool to keep up with technology and product development. It is a broader strategy that keeps you in the game. First, identify the market. Is it a product or a service? What are the requirements? And who are the users and suppliers? Next, identify the source of information. Look at the economic data, publications, conferences, and web searches. Next, we will collect information. We will figure out a way to store information from our sources. Next, you'll want to document your results. Keep everything organized so this step is easy.
Since Savannah told you about strategic marketing, let's talk about tactical. There are 7 steps to tactical market research. Drop and give me 7. 1. Summarize strategic market research. Conduct additional research if a tactical approach is needed. 2. Formulate requirements. Identify acceptable risk and negotiate needs versus wants, if name brand required. Number 3. Identify sources of information. SAM.gov is a website you will need. You can also look at advertisements, company websites, and attend conferences. Number 4. Collect information from sources. Interview companies and look at databases. Number 5. Collect information from users. See how the end product or service worked for past contract. Ask a team member who is familiar with the company or find ratings. Number 6. Evaluate the data. Summarize and analyze your findings. Discuss with team members and follow up with more research if needed. Number 7. Document the results. Documentation proves you did your due diligence.
Now I have a better understanding of market research, the 4 steps of strategic, and also the 7 steps of tactical. This will hopefully reduce my acquisitions costs and cycle times. Mission accomplished.